In step 2, we're going to look at the script matrix.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
But before we go into that, I want to just quickly recap over what we've done in step 1. So as you can see, this is the Word document which I advise everybody to work with. It's much easier to jump onto a Word document like this and to fill in the blanks. So in the resources section below this lecture, you will find both a blank Word document for the e-commerce scripts and a document which is filled in with these answers. So at least you can go through these and get some inspiration, some ideas of how it's all been created. So we've got question 1, and then it just runs down in order. Question 2, and as you can see, the answers have been filled in here, and then the final combined, if we call it a combined answer of all of these answers, has been put in green. And section 3, which was all about the features, section 4, and then we're into section 5. So that's everything that we've already done in step 1, and now we're going to jump into the actual script matrix. This is what the script matrix looks like. Here are all the questions, and this is the number of the question. Now you'll notice that it doesn't go from 1 to 5. In fact, it jumbles up, and we've repeated question 4 twice, and there's a good reason for that. And you'll see below where I've actually just copied and pasted the green answers from up here. All these green answers that we've put, I've copied and pasted those into the Word document here, and you've noticed that I've put unedited because it is unedited. I've just copied it and pasted it. So answer to question 5 is here for everyone that's willing and committed to consciously changing their lives, and it goes on. Answer 4, that's one of the answers from 4. There's another answer from 4 there, and answer number 1, 2 and 3, and then finally there's a call to action. Now, just to say something about calls to action, it is absolutely imperative that you give a call to action at the end of your video. If people don't know what's expected of them, then there's a good chance that they won't do anything. Just putting a button under the video that says click here isn't enough. You've got to tell them. You've got to say to them, now you've watched this video, click on the button below, and tell them why they're clicking on the button below. That's very important. If they're going to be buying something, click on the button below to buy my book. If they're going to another page or they're going to download something for free, tell them. Tell them what's expected of them and what they'll experience. So this is it. This is basically step 2 in a nutshell. We just add, we cut and paste from the answers in the Word document. Here we just cut and paste and we drop them into this section here. It's as simple as that. So in the next section, which is step 3, we'll edit what we've created here so it flows in a more conversational style.